Hey everybody! I'm going to give you a quick tip today on drop shadowing with the Misty, but I also wanted to walk you through this month's Hero Arts release because it is amazing. It's on my blog today along with the My Monthly Hero kit. So some of the products that you're seeing here are from the kit and some are from the amazing add-ons, including this beautiful alphabet die that I went completely crazy with. So here's the card where I added a little drop shadow. This is stamps from the kit. And I wanted to show you that I just use about a 1/16 of an inch from the corner of the Misty. I use the rulers on the side to bump it out horizontally and vertically, just a 1/16 of an inch. And then make sure that it's held down with your magnet. I stamped the bear and the balloon in black first, and then moved my cardstock out from the corner, left the stamps in place, and then just added this beautiful green apple ink. And I'm lifting it up really slowly just to make sure if I need to stamp it again that it's there. But that way you get what I think is the perfect drop shadow. So head on over to my blog today. You'll be able to see in detail what products were released from Hero Arts today and the projects that I use them on. And all supplies will be linked on my blog and below this video. Thanks so much for watching.